Humanity depends on a healthy ocean. But our ocean is far from healthy. We have pushed it to the brink. So now is the time for action. If we can protect 30% of our ocean by 2030, it will begin to heal. That is the mission of the Blue Nature Alliance, a network of partners spanning the globe.
Our partners range from indigenous communities to environmental NGOs to even government. Together, we are working to secure 18 million square kilometers of ocean conservation, an area larger than South America.
There is no way Blue Nature Alliance alone can do this. We need global collaboration, and most importantly, we need action. And we need it fast.
Momentum towards 30 by 30 is building. And we must stay on track. Our ocean needs us. And we need our ocean.